In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Chatgpt Canvas. Whether you're just starting out or simply looking to tap into more advanced features, understanding how to navigate this tool will greatly enhance your experience. So let's dive right into it. First, let's head over to the Chatgpt website. You just need to open your preferred browser and type in the website URL. Remember, this is your gateway to exploring all the remarkable capabilities that Chatgpt offers. It's usually a good idea to have a stable internet connection, as that ensures a smooth session without any disruptions. Once you've made your way to the Chatgpt website, the next thing you'll want to do is click on New Chat. This is typically located at the top of the page and is your starting point for all interactions within the platform. Clicking New Chat essentially sets up a fresh canvas for you to begin your dialogue, allowing you to reset from previous conversations and start anew with a clean slate. Now comes the interesting part. In this new chat interface, you'll need to type a specific command to switch modes. In this case, what you should enter is switch to Chatgpt Canvas mode. Typing this command is crucial as it instructs the system to toggle from the regular chat mode to the more creative and flexible canvas mode. It opens up a plethora of possibilities, offering a more expansive environment to manipulate data, consider different viewpoints, or just brainstorm ideas more effectively. After you've typed the command, simply press enter. This triggers the transition into the Chatgpt Canvas mode. By pressing enter, you're basically applying the command you just typed. It's a simple step, but it's the key to unlocking that dynamic space within ChatGPT, where you can explore ideas and concepts in a more visual and interactive manner. These steps should seamlessly guide you into the ChatGPT Canvas mode. Remember, having access to this feature means you can leverage the combined power of a conversational AI and an open-ended brainstorming platform. This versatility could be exactly what you need to enhance your productivity or creativity. And there you have it. Following these straightforward instructions will help you access the ChatGPT Canvas mode and make the most out of its capabilities. Whether you're brainstorming new project ideas, drafting a report, or just exploring creative writing, the Canvas mode can provide a fresh perspective and additional tools that engage both your imagination and intellect in unique ways. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now it's your turn to give it a try, experiment and see what you can create with the Canvas mode in ChatGPT. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.